Have you ever wondered how much food is too much food? Let's demystify portion control in this segment. Portion control is a key player in weight loss. Often we underestimate how much we're eating, leading to those sneaky extra calories. The first step? Awareness. Start by investing in measuring cups or a food scale. This way, you can observe and adjust your portion sizes effectively. Remember, it's not just what you eat, but how much you eat. So get those measuring cups ready. Do you know that your eating pace and awareness can impact your weight loss journey? Let's explore mindful eating. This approach encourages you to slow down, savor each bite, and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. By putting away distractions and focusing on your food, you can prevent overeating and foster a healthier relationship with what you eat. It's a simple yet powerful tool to incorporate into your daily routine. So, slow down, savor your meal, and listen to your body's cues. It's time to eat mindfully. Did you know that water plays a crucial role in weight loss? Let's dive into the importance of hydration. Staying adequately hydrated is essential for overall health and can even aid in weight loss. When you drink a glass of water before a meal, it can help control your appetite by making you feel more full. Plus, it supports your metabolism and aids in digestion. To ensure you're getting enough, aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Remember, your water bottle should be your best friend. Stay hydrated and see the difference. Bored with bland diets? Let's spice things up with some nutritious and tasty recipes. Today, we're turning the ordinary into extraordinary with meals that are not only delicious, but also support your weight loss journey. For breakfast, how about a protein-packed omelet loaded with colorful veggies? This meal is a powerhouse of essential nutrients and keeps you satiated until lunch. Speaking of lunch, a vibrant quinoa salad is a fantastic option. It's high in fiber, low in calories, and bursting with flavor. Dinner can be a delightful grilled chicken breast served with roasted vegetables. This lean protein source combined with fiber-rich veggies creates a satisfying, low-calorie meal. Remember, the secret to enjoying your meals lies in experimenting with spices and flavors. Try these recipes or create your own versions. The key is to incorporate whole, nutrient-dense foods that fuel your body and nourish your taste buds. So don your chef's hat and whip up some delicious, healthy meals. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. Congratulations! You've made it through the first part of our nutrition boot camp. You've tackled portion control, embraced mindful eating, prioritized hydration, and discovered nutritious recipes. These tools aren't just for today or tomorrow, but for a lifetime of healthy eating. As you continue this journey, remember the power of these small daily changes. Looking ahead, get ready to break a sweat as we dive into workout routines. Stay committed, stay positive, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Till then, happy healthy eating.